Hey everybody, Kevin here, WQ9F Ham Radio. Thanks for joining me today. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, check out more of my videos. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing of a QRPGuys Code Trainer Practice Kit. Let's take a look. Alright, so here we have our package that we got in the mail. This is from the QRPGuys at QRPGuys.com. Go ahead and open it up. So that's all we got in there. Small package from them. It says it was only 4 ounces shipping. We got this little bubble wrap. Inside of our bubble wrap, we got that's all we have right here. A little baggie of parts, a little circuit board, and not too much more. So as we open this, let's see what we got inside of here. So here we have our circuit board. It says QRPGuys Code Trainer, Kilo Delta 1 Juliet Victor, Morse code sending and receiving trainer for paddles, bugs, or keys. And it's got QRPGuys.com. Little website down there. On the back, same little logos we had on the front. And there's some operation instructions on here. It says straight key or bug. Tells you what the order is for the plug, sleeve, and tip. And then we have stereo plug. It tells you where the stuff should go. And then we have for paddles, tells you sleeve, tip, and ring, how you should orient your stereo plug. And then looks like we have to slow down and speed up our dits and das, and then how to put it into receive practice mode. So this will actually do Morse code practice. It'll send a code group of 5 characters, letters, numbers, punctuation, pretty standard stuff. So on the other side, it's actually labeled really nice. It's got a nice screen print on it. Real easy to read, so that's super helpful. Everything's clearly marked. Jumpers, switches. So we got a couple capacitors here, diode, etc. So pretty easy. Let's take a look at our parts. Go ahead and dump this out. Oh, looks like we got one hanging on here. This is the battery holder. It's poking through the bag. Come on, there we go. So we got the battery holder. This just takes a CR2032 little coin cell. Put that aside. Here we've got little feet on the bottom. Now this comes with holes on the circuit board, so you can mount this inside of a case, or they actually on the back here, silk screened onto the board. It looks like where you put these little feet at, so you can just have it be a standalone unit. That's kind of nice. Looks like we have a little chip here. Got a couple of our input and output for our audio. Set those aside. We've got a little socket for our chip. On-off switch, it seems. We got some little push button switches. There's another one. Looks like a little header plug. I think these are jumpers for the headers. Got a little potentiometer here to adjust our gain for our volume on our output. And then looks like LED. Couple capacitor discs here. Diode, 2 resistors. This looks like it'll be a pretty easy to put together. So this will be a fun little kit, I think. So here we can take a look at the QRPGuys website. This is their code trainer kit. The Kilo Delta 1 Juliet Victor code trainer. You got a finished product here, what it looks like. So not too difficult to set up. Got a board layout. You can see where the runs are located inside the board, as well as a general schematic. So here it says on their website, it was designed as an inexpensive device to help you learn or improve your CW skills virtually anywhere. Well, that's going to be the goal. I've always struggled with learning CW over the last several years. I'm hoping that this kind of gives me the push to kind of help push me over the edge to actually finish learning. So we've got here it says that we can use it for a straight key, bug, or paddle. The jumper block is there to select normal or reversed paddle side, depending on which you would like. And looks like we have a link here to the assembly manual. Got our parts list. Kind of walks you through the steps here of what resistors and capacitors and stuff goes where, as well as how to wire this up for your straight key or your paddle. And then we've got the operations instructions. Thanks for joining me today, everyone, looking at this QRPGuys Code Trainer Kit. This will be a fun kit to put together, and look forward to doing that on the next video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, check out my other videos, and we'll see you next time. WQ9F Ham Radio here.